Good morning, everyone. We continue our lesson. The last we study about the Goa. This is a the Goa has a beautiful beaches and monuments and temples and well-known maintained museums. Are Panaji is the capital. This is the smallest state in India. So the next one is Karnataka. Okay, the next western coastal plains is Karnataka. A part of the state of Karnataka lies on the Konkan coast. The part of the Karnataka is lies on the Konkan coast and means in a middle coast. With the other parts are located in the Deccan Plateau. The other parts is located in the Deccan Plateau, means here it is a Deccan Plateau. The other parts is located in Deccan Plateau. Some parts are located in the Konkan coastal plains. See, Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka and is known as the information technology or IT capital of India. This Bangalore is the we know that the Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka. It is a very important known as the this state is the Bangalore is known as the information technology or IT capital of India. Okay, the Bangalore is known as the information capital or technology or IT capital of India. So underline which is the IT capital of India. Bangalore, that is Karnataka. Karnataka has a thick teak forest along its coastal areas. Karnataka has a thick teak forest ज़्यादा है, making the state a major producer of sandalwood products. And here it is a major production. They have a sandalwood be the important. Mangalore is an important seaport of the state. Here it is the Mangalore is the important seaport. Okay, and Bangalore is the IT sector of IT is the capital of India, and Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka, and it is information technology center, and here it is producer teak and sandalwood. Okay, Mangalore is the seaport in India. See, the last one is Kerala. The Kerala. The state of Kerala lies on the Malabar coast. Okay, the Kerala lies on the Malabar coast. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital city of Kerala. Kerala ka Thiruvananthapuram capital is Thiruvananthapuram. The state is known for its beautiful backwaters. Here it is a backwaters. Jada. Okay, it is a very beautiful backwater. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people. Coconut, rubber, cocoa, coffee and spices are the main crops grown here. Clear? Coconut, rubber, cocoa, coffee and spices. All spices are very important here. Spices, coconut and rubber, cocoa, coffee and spices are the main crops grown in India. Grown here. Where? In Kerala. Kerala has the highest literacy rate in India. Kerala has the highest literacy, 100% literacy. Okay, so the coastal plains over. Okay, the next we learn the islands. What are the islands? See, you already know that an island is a piece of land surrounded by water. What is meant by island? What is meant by island? Island is a piece of land surrounded by sea. Okay, it is a piece of land. It is surrounded by all the side. It is surrounded by a water. Okay, that is an island. A number of islands surround the coastal plains. Coastal plains mein number of islands are there. Of these, the two biggest group of islands are the Andaman Nicobar Island and the Lakshadweep Island. There are biggest two groups of islands. First one is Andaman Nicobar Island and the second one is Lakshadweep Islands. Okay, there are two types. There are two islands group are there. Biggest islands groups are there. The first one is Andaman Nicobar Island. The second one is Lakshadweep Island. Look at the map of India and you will find exactly where the two islands groups are situated. आप map में देखो, in the eastern side the Andaman Nicobar Island, in the western side the Lakshadweep Island. Okay, eastern side it is a Andaman Nicobar Island and the western side it is a Lakshadweep Island. Okay, see. These islands are situated in the Bay of Bengal. Means the Andaman Nicobar Islands are situated in Bay of Bengal. The Andaman Nicobar Islands are the two island group forming one union territory. Andaman separated, Nicobar separated. But these are forming a one union territory. So it is called the Andaman Nicobar Island. Okay. The Andaman lies to the north and the Nicobar lies to the south. The Andaman is the Andaman is lies to the north side में Andaman है and the south side में Nicobar है. Okay, north side Andaman and south side it is a Nicobar. See, the capital of the Union Territory is Port Blair. दोनों को एक ही one Union Territory है, so the capital is Port Blair. The main occupation are agriculture, fishing, animal rearing and construction. Rice is the main food crop along with maize, coconut and rubber. The main crops are rice and rubber is there, coconut and maize are the other crops. Okay. Next one, the smallest union territory of India, the Lakshadweep Island lies in the Arabian Sea. The Andaman Nicobar Island lies in the West Bay of Bengal, but the Lakshadweep Islands is situated in the Arabian Sea. Okay, the Lakshadweep Islands are a group of 36 islands, out of which only 10 are inhabited by people. A 30 Lakshadweep is totally a 36 islands है, but 10 में the inhabited means human beings रहता है. And by people. Kavaratti is the capital of the Lakshadweep Island. What is the capital of Lakshadweep? Kavaratti. Kavaratti is the capital of Lakshadweep. This island is formed by the deposition of corals. हाँ, ज़्यादा corals है उधर. Okay, ज़्यादा deposit coral deposit है ज़्यादा. Fishing is the main occupation of the people. The main crop grown here is coconut. The main crop is coconut here. Okay, clear? So this lesson over. Okay, I sent the PDF of this exercise. Clear? Okay.